Hello and welcome back to the Harvest Manager configuration series. In this chapter, we'll take a look at the types of configurations that we have in the Harvest Manager capability. In Harvest Manager, there are 5 types of configurations. The first is the hierarchical structure configuration, which serves as a basis for the other configurations in Harvest Manager. Here, we assign weights to each criterion to help Harvest Manager decide which configuration applies to a given plot or cross record. Next, we have the Harvest Data Requirements config. In this configuration, we can define the relevant harvest data to any given use case. Third, we have the Harvest Use Case Behavior, which enables us to define the outcome of each harvest use case, may it be creating new records or updating existing records. The fourth one is the Harvest Nomenclature configurations. Here we are able to define various patterns that produce strings which represent names of different entities. For example, we can define a pattern for the germplasm name that will be produced in a given use case. And finally, we have the base data for entity creation configuration. So this is a supplementary configuration, and for the purposes of this learning module, we won't be studying this just yet. But you can learn more about all of these configurations in our official documentation. Just visit this link and you will be redirected to a Confluence page that details everything that you need to know about the configurations. That's it for this chapter. In the next chapter, we'll take a look at the hierarchical structure config and how the config matching works in Harvest Manager.